full name: Tamim Iqbal Khan. Tamim Iqbal Khan. Wife name: Aisha Sadaiqa. Son name: Ahram Iqbal Khan. Iqbal Khan. Mother name: Nusrat Iqbal. Brother March 28, 1989. Bangladesh. World XI batting style: left-handed batsman. Bowling style: religion: Islam. As Bangladesh's vice Tamim Iqbal. Biography: Tamim Iqbal is sui generis among less gifted colleagues representing Bangladesh who have evolved at a painstakingly slow pace. He did not exactly set the stage ablaze on his international debut for Bangladesh in an ODI against Zimbabwe at the Rary in 2007. A year later, his Test debut was in stark contrast. He amassed a total of 137 in the Test, narrowly missing a second innings 100 against New Zealand at the picturesque University Oval in Dunedin. Tamim is the quintessential postmodern opener with a penchant for adventurous stroke playing, in the mold of the likes of Virendra Sehwag and Matthew Hayden.